Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am reviewing this Blur India Call Me Daddy Nude Matte Liquid Lipstick collection. So they have come up with 3 liquid lipsticks in the nude collection. I bought their collection. It was a free gift, that is a vegan buildable mascara. So I have never tried Blur India before this. So I saw their Call Me Daddy collection and all, and they had this nude collections, and so I was so curious to see that what they have come up. So let's see. This is their packaging. I'm totally loving it. So they such a cute, unique, and thinking. Okay, so it is written thinking about my nudes birthday suit collection. So they have come out with sexy names and sexy this description for the lipsticks, and they have given me they give you a mascara free. I tend to lash out, don't touch my lashes honey. So yeah, a lipstick. Okay, I'm not going to throw this cardboard packaging now. Abhi I will read the description. ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं लिखा है. There is only an instruction that let this velvety bad boys coat your lips with our smooth buildable formula that is absolutely transfer proof and lasts for hours. Okay, now this is made in India brand, and after opening it you can use for 18 months. This is a cruelty free vegan. Manufacturing date is 21/2021. बस यही mention किया है bad boys. This is okay. So they have mentioned like यहाँ पे numbers mention कर लिए हैं 1, 2 and 3. We will go with the first one. The second coat क्योंकि first one तो was hardly visible. Okay, this is not very pigmented. So this is the first shade. This is the number 1 shade, and but this is very matte. Settles down to a very matte finish, and this is a very cool tone lipstick. As you can see, it has not evenly spread onto my lips. Okay, this is the second one. One. Okay, इसका wand is I really like the wand. मतलब ये जो बड़े बड़े wands हैं, it's very comfortable. So again, this is not as pigmented as it should be because we are paying a very good amount for this lipstick. More on the peachier side. There are hints of peach, just sits into your lips within seconds. The first coat isn't that pigmented, you don't get that color. Obviously, like if you have pigmented lips, your lips are darker than the skin, obviously you have to go with 2 to 3 coats. This was the second shade. Talking about this third lipstick, this one, this is again like when you apply this lipstick you can see that it settles down on your fine line. So what I have to do is you have to touch up like this, and when you go with the second coat, it disturbs the first coat even if it's completely dry. I like the color. This is more on the brown side, a peach with a more on the brown hints like the other two. The second one was more peachy, the first one more mauvey, cool toned. So let's see how this mascara works. So I guess with every product on Your Cosmetics you get a free mascara. So So this mascara does gives you length. It makes the lashes more black. Other than that, elongating the lashes or giving volume and thickness, this does a very minimal job. So talking about this lipsticks, this is the third shade, got mattified, and this does transfer a little bit, as you can see. So this is going to transfer. So mostly the last, second and third shade tend to go on a peachier side. The second shade was more on the peachy side, and the third shade has a peach undertone, but it has hints of brown color. So it's more on the brown side. So this is the first one. So in the hand swatch, as you can see, it's more on the purple side, cool tone purple. So second swatch, this is the second swatch. As you can see, more peachy brown nude lipstick. And the third one, so this is the third one. First, second and third. The price of this individual lipstick is rupees 599. Again, they have, right now there is a discount going on, that's why it is 599. And if you buy this bundle, you get around 1099 rupees. And according to me, this is on expensive side because the product is not that much pigmented as they have charged for the lipsticks. Like, according to the price point, I felt there should be a lot of pigmentation to the lipstick. It should be more pigmented, but it lacks pigmentation. If you compare the prices of most of the nude lipsticks, you will find better lipsticks than this. So yeah, so I really appreciate that the packaging and how they come up with this cute little packaging, like 10 on 10 points for the packaging. So yeah, that was all my opinion regarding this lipsticks. And yeah, do tell me what are your opinions if you have purchased this. Now that's it for the video. I hope you will like this video. I hope the video will be helpful to you, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, if you like my content, I'll come up with more such videos. So if you are looking for reviews and stuff, you can definitely subscribe to the channel and hit the red icon bell. Bye bye, take care.